art along, friends. Today we are folding stars out of star folding paper, and you can get these online or at a local craft store maybe, but they're pretty much these long strips of paper used to fold stars. So this is super easy to make, and look how many Mia and I made in the past. These are super awesome to put in a jar and use as decoration, or even use for crafting for any craft projects that you might have. And we thought this might be a fun activity for the holidays. So let's begin. First, you'll need, again, a strip of paper. And if you don't have star folding paper, all you need to do is cut out a strip from a bigger piece of paper and go from there. So what you'll start with is by tying a knot. So I like to hold my piece of paper like this and then bring the longer end around and over. Bring the little tail into the loop that I just created. And a star has 5 points, so what you're trying to make out of this knot is a pentagon. And that's just a fancy name to call a shape with 5 sides and 5 points. So I'm just gonna pull my strip in very carefully and gently so that it doesn't rip. And then once I feel like I have a good pentagon shape, I'm going to start folding the sides down. And the key is to not have any gaps between your sides. So you want your knot to be pretty tight, and make sure that you're not making any gaps in your pentagon. And you're also not pulling it too tight where your strip is ripping either. So once you're done making the shape, a lot of instructions tell you to rip off this shorter end, but I just like to fold it in actually, and it helps later on to have a thicker pentagon shape to make your star puffy like this. So you're left with this shorter side and this longer side. And make sure your tail is as long as possible and your short side is as short as possible, because again, you want to wrap it around as much as possible. So I'm gonna take the tail of my paper and I'm gonna start folding it to where it would just go over the sides of my pentagon. And be sure to go directly across. So this side goes directly across to right here, and I'm folding it over, and I'm going again across directly and folding in line with the side of my pentagon. I don't want to go this way where it leaves this huge gap where my side is. So I'm gonna follow the sides and wrap my tail around. You see how my tail is getting shorter? And I'm gonna keep wrapping it and folding it flat around my pentagon shape, just like that. So you're left with these diagonal folds and not a straight fold. If I took this and went to the wrong side, it would leave this gap. And that's how you kind of tell whether you're on the right side or not. So I'm gonna wrap the rest of the tail. And with this little bit that I have left, I'm going to fold it to the last side and tuck it into the fold area that I created. There's a hole from all the folds, so I'm gonna try tucking this in so that it doesn't unravel when I puff up my star. Okay, so now you're left with this nice pentagon shape with your star paper, and now you take your finger like a pincer and you're trying to make the corners pop out by pushing the sides in. So you kind of pinch the sides in. And this is the trickiest part, I feel like. When I pinch the side in, the rest of the body puffs up like so. I'm gonna pinch it in and push it in. So now I have a puffy star. Easy and super fancy. And you can use different colors for your stars. I picked green today because it's kind of Christmassy. And make a whole bunch of stars to fill up a nice little jar. We're gonna try to fill up this jar. Super large. But maybe you can pick a smaller jar. I hope you had fun, art along friends, and come see us next time for more crafts and art lessons. See ya!